We now turn to a story about an Iowa woman who says she was pulled over because of her skin color. So WOI's Emma Stroner spoke with her, as well as a law professor, about what authority ICE agents have when it comes to traffic stops.
On January 17th, Sahda Hernandez says she was going to buy baby formula with her 9-month-old son when she says she got pulled over by 5 ICE agents.
They had their guns out, and one of them was pointed at me. The baby was freaking out. I was going to check on him. They wouldn't allow me to.
Hernandez then says she showed her social security card and license to the agents. She then says ICE confirmed she was a U.S. citizen, then let her go.
Yeah, I was asking them why they would stop me, and they said that they're stopping any suspicious vehicle.
Did you ask them why you were considered a suspicious vehicle?
They were saying because of the color of my skin.
We wanted to get perspective on the situation and talk with a legal expert on what ICE agents can and cannot do when they pull someone over. I talked to Kate Gettle. She's a law professor at the University of Iowa. Gettle tells me that traditionally, officers needed specific facts to pull someone over.
Reasonable suspicion traditionally has meant some specific facts about that person, something articulable about that particular person to lead the agent to believe that they're not in the country lawfully.
That could be something like a broken taillight or an expired license plate. However, a judge's ruling in a case called Vasquez-Perdomo v. Nome changed the standard to conduct a traffic stop. Agents are now allowed to pull someone over based on a combination of factors, including someone's race, accent, or their job. However, the judge ruled race cannot be the only reason.
If an ICE officer or a Customs and Border Protection officer were to pull somebody over solely based on their skin color or their race, that would violate the Constitution.
Gettle added because of the new ruling, immigration officials are already changing their tactics.
I think the recent change in Supreme Court law has perhaps emboldened some immigration agents to try to press the law. And I think until they're held accountable, we might see more of it.
Now, WOI has reached out to ICE, providing additional details about the encounter, but as of this morning, they have not heard back.